Hey everyone, this is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at JFrog? This is ticker FROG. Now, this is a stock that one of our members asked about in a recent live webinar with myself and Dan Fitzpatrick. And I wanted to take a look at the stock today just to see if it changed its character at all. Because yesterday, when this stock was asked about, it's just kind of chopping around this 21 day. It was on this day here, this red day down to the 21 day. And we kind of said, you know what, looks to be in consolidation. And I still kind of think that JFrog is in consolidation, but I would like to see it leap over that level right there, right around 45.40. If it can get above and stay above 45.40, it could come up to challenge one of these previous highs, like up here at around 48.83. Now, anytime we're in a bunch of consolidation here, I like to zoom out typically and just see if there's any past price history that the stock may be digesting. And if I zoom out here on JFrog, we can see some past history from back here around this price level in 2021. You can tell that this level, this zone, was really kind of a battle zone before the breakdown. Now, ideally, we want to see this being a battle zone before the breakout. And so, like I said, I'd probably want to have an alert on this right around $45. Look for a strong move through that level. Coming on volume, I currently see support right down here near that 21-day EMA. So you could probably get a little started here, small position, one share, whatever it is, and then add with a strong move through 44, 45 with volume, and then have a definite breakout alert up here at 48.80. So that's how I would look at JFrog. Not really much to do right now, but I think it has some potential if the market can firm up. So that's all I got for you. Here tonight with JFrog. We got lots more stocks to look at. And if you want to see what we're doing tonight, be sure and click that link, stockmarketmentor.com. Take a trial, no commitment, no obligation, and hopefully I'll see you on the other side.